The best 5 hotels of 5 stars in Jamaica. Sandals Royal Plantation All-Inclusive. The Sandals Royal Plantation All-Inclusive in Ocho Rios features accommodations with a restaurant, free private parking, an outdoor swimming pool, and a fitness center. Mahogany Beach is a 19-minute walk away. A bar, a common area, and a garden are just a few of the amenities. For visitors' convenience, the establishment has a front desk, room service, and currency exchange. Air conditioning, a seating area, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, a safety deposit box, and a private bathroom with a shower, bathrobes, and slippers are all amenities included in the resort's rooms. Every room comes with an electric teapot, and some additionally have balconies or have views of the ocean. Hermosa Cove Villa Resort and Suites. 500 meters from Mahogany Beach, this complex is tucked away on Jamaica's Gold Coast amidst 12 acres of tropical gardens. It offers Caribbean-style boutique luxury villas with artistic designs, free Wi-Fi, and complimentary continental breakfast. The private villas feature a flat-screen TV, seating room, ceiling fan, and patios with garden views just steps from the beach. The kitchens are furnished with all the necessary appliances for guests to prepare their own meals, and the bathrooms have showers. At the Hermosa Cove Villa Resort and Suites, the Christopher restaurant offers island meats, fish, and fresh produce grown nearby. Fruit drinks are available at Isabella's Rum Bar, and customers can also order room service. Jamaica Inn. The Jamaica Inn in Ocho Rios offers opulent apartments with furnished porches or balconies that look out over the Caribbean Sea. The oceanfront spa and outdoor pool are features of this chic resort. Each contemporary, air-conditioned suite offers a sofa, complimentary Wi-Fi, and a ceiling fan. Free toiletries are provided in the private toilets. A shaded palapa area and lounging chairs are available on the Jamaica Inn's private beach. On request, lunch can be carried to the beach, and each morning, guests are given a complimentary glass of punch. Breakfast is given in a variety of ways on the terrace, which overlooks the bay. Fresh soups, salads, and light fare are served for lunch, and there are weekly lobster nights on the dinner menu. Sandals Ochi Beach All-Inclusive. This is an accommodation with a restaurant, free private parking, an outdoor swimming pool, and a fitness center that is situated in Ocho Rios, a 4-minute walk from Ocho Rios Bay Beach. This property's amenities include a garden, a common lounge, and a bar. For visitors' convenience, the establishment has a front desk, room service, and currency exchange. The resort's accommodations have a seating space, a cable TV, and a safety deposit box. All visitors can use the free Wi-Fi, and some rooms have balconies. The Sandals Ochi Beach All-Inclusive Resort offers rooms with desks and air conditioning. The lodging offers both a continental and buffet breakfast each morning. A hot tub and a sauna are part of Sandals Ochi Beach All-Inclusive Resort's Wellness Center. The location is well known for golfing and snorkeling, and the resort offers pool, ping pong, and darts. Villa Rialto at the Palms. Dolphin Cove Ocho Rios is 12.9 miles away from Villa Rialto at the Palms, which provides an outdoor pool, a bar, and air-conditioned lodging with a patio and free Wi-Fi. Each apartment has a kitchen with a microwave and a refrigerator, as well as a satellite flat-screen TV, ironing equipment, a wardrobe, and a living room with a sofa. There is also a toaster, an oven, a burner, and an electric teapot. The home also has a playground for kids, and visitors may unwind in the garden. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.